one or two sentences. Arrange the following species in the increasing order of size. O square minus F minus Mg2 plus Na plus. Increasing order of size. Mg2 plus less than Na plus less than F less than O2 minus F minus. Increasing order of size. F less than F minus. NO. Increasing order of size. O less than N. Fe2 plus Fe Fe3 plus. Increasing order of size. Fe3 plus less than Fe2 plus less than Fe. Na plus Cl minus NaCl. Increasing order of size. Cl less than Cl minus less than Na plus less than Na. I plus I minus. Increasing order of size. I plus less than I minus. Arrange the following elements in the increasing order of their first ionization potentials. Give proper explanation for your answer. Li, Be, B. NOF, CNOF. Answer. A. Ionization of Li, ionization energy of B less than ionization energy of Be. Le3 of 1 S square 2 S square. Ionization potential of lithium is the least because of the larger size, the smaller nuclear charge and the strong shielding effect which the first electrons exert on the 2s electron. Ionization potential of Be increases due to the increase in the nuclear charge, with decrease in size with no corresponding increasing in the shielding. But there is slight decrease in ionization potential of boron. This is because boron of 2b1s square 2s square 2p1 has one unpaired electron in 2px subshell, which makes it less stable. So, it is ready to lose one electron to attain a more stable configuration and has less ionization energy than beryllium. Ionization of oxygen less than ionization of nitrogen less than ionization of fluorine. Oxygen has less ionization energy than nitrogen because oxygen is less stable, and to attain the more stable half-filled configuration, it is ready to lose one electron, and so it has less ionization energy than nitrogen. Fluorine is having more nuclear charge than oxygen. In both cases, electron has to be removed from the 2p subshell. As fluorine nucleus attract the outer 2p electrons more firmly than oxygen, it is having more ionization energy than oxygen. Ionization energy of carbon less than ionization energy of oxygen less than ionization energy of nitrogen less than ionization energy of fluorine. For carbon, Z is equal to 6. 1s square, 2s square, 2px1, 2py1. For nitrogen, Z is equal to 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. For oxygen, Z is equal to 8. 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2px1, 2pz1. Z is equal to 9 for fluorine. 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz1. As we move from carbon to fluorine, ionization energy increases due to increase in nuclear charge. But for oxygen, ionization energy is less than nitrogen. This is because oxygen is less stable than nitrogen. To attain half-filled more stable configuration, oxygen is ready to lose one electron, and so it is having less ionization energy than nitrogen.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.